back on the 95 with the Wilwood brakes. And so what I'm about to do is grab my grease and grease my bearings, put my bearings in the hub, and if the rain allow me to, I'll go ahead and put those hubs on the car today. If not, then I'll just do it later. It's raining off and on today. So yeah, that's what I'm at. Let me grab these bearings and stick this grease on them. It's a messy job, so I probably won't touch the phone again. See that I'm on the next step right here. Got the rotor in place, got it nice and good where it's spinning freely. And so the next step is to line the caliper up. I should have put some paint on this. Maybe I still will put some paint on that hub because they said that will rust. But I'm gonna get this lined up. I'm gonna get this caliper lined up on both sides. Okay, got the caliper on, and that's how it came out. And that's how it's looking on both sides. So now the only thing I gotta do is figure out which set of rims I want on now. They look good. Now that I got the brakes on, I gotta make a decision on which wheels I wanna put on now. The 24s or the 26s that I already had on there. On another day, one of my subscribers pulled up in his 96. Nice. 96 Impala. For a few upgrades. We got some spark plug wire, oil change. And we got some new car springs. We're gonna put those Capri car springs on here because it's too low in the front. I don't know what's wrong with car lowers, but we want those Capri car springs on here. It's looking nice though. Inside good. It's unfortunate that I woke up here on the street unless I move that trailer. Yeah, and the old truck is here too. Still working on that. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get started on this 96 so I can get the plugs and wires out of here. And then I'll do the springs. Of course, I'm gonna have to put it in my driveway. But this sucker is sharp. Time to go to work. One and a half, almost 2 hours in, I finished with the passenger side. Got all on me in right there. And each one I'm going to the plug. Probably can't see them from up here. But this is one of those jobs where on the LT1 spark plug, you'd be like ready to decline that. Like, nah, that's all right, I can't do that. But this is me testing my skills. So now let me get, and hopefully this was the worst side. Hopefully this side here got to be a little easier. But I like this. Got the forges. What's the name of those wheels? Forgot the name of those wheels. So on the other side, these manifolds get really hot, of course, and so you got to put the heat shield stuff back on. Like these pieces right here, got to make sure you put those back on. And this has some This has some black. Make sure you put everything back on when you take them off, and you're doing one at a time, and you in the house. So let me continue. Okay, only 1 hour in to get the driver's side spark plugs and wires in. This was not all that bad. I'm glad I did the passenger side first, which was, it took the longest. Yeah, it took the longest to do. But before I even change the oil, I'm going to try to crank it up. So let me grab the key. Yeah, still, that boy still here. So many people call me to do stuff, man. I be putting my stuff to the side just to come and do some more work. And this car clean too, man. This car is clean. I'm not even gonna sit in it. Just gonna crank it up right quick. See what it do. Okay, crank right up. Because I'm finna change the oil. Didn't want it to run that long. Yeah, I think this is my last one though. LT1. I mean, they ain't bad to work on, but it's time consuming. So he got to switch this over. He got to LS swap this one. Well, let me get this oil done. There you go. Came to pick the ride up.